In multiple antenna techniques, the incoming data is split to be transmitted to multiple antennas. The incoming data may be split to two or more parallel streams, where each stream contains different portions of the incoming data, or, in other words, each stream contains different information. In another type of multiple antenna techniques, the incoming data is duplicated, and each antenna basically transmits the same information. The only difference between each stream in this case is the mathematical manipulation of the transmitted data, which does not change in any way the information included in it. LTE specification uses the following terms. Transmission layer is one data stream transmitted through one antenna. The number of transmission layers equals the number of antennas. Spatial layer is the data stream which includes unique information, not included at the other layers. Rank is the number of different transmission layers transmitted in parallel, or in other words, the number of spatial layers. Here are two examples that may better explain the term rank. At the right side figure, we see a multiple antenna transmitter which transmits in parallel in all four antennas the same information, A, B, and C. The information may be manipulated by mathematical operations marked here with different number of asterisks. But since these operations do not change the information, we can say that the figure on the right side describes a rank 1 transmitter. At the left side figure, we see a multiple antenna transmitter which transmits in parallel different pieces of information, ABC, EFG, HIJ, etc. Since four different layers of different information pieces are simultaneously transmitted, we can say that the figure on the left side describes a rank 4 transmitter. The potential capacity and coverage enhancement is a function of the number of antennas and the rank in use. The right side graph shows rank 1 scenarios with different number of antennas. It describes scenarios where all antennas transmit the same information. As can be seen, rank 1 antennas do not improve capacity but extend coverage as more transmission antennas are used. This rank 1 technique, described by the right side graph, are sometimes called transmit diversity techniques. The left side graph shows spatial multiplexing techniques where capacity improvement gets higher as the number of different transmission streams gets higher. However, as higher is the rank, higher is the signal-to-noise ratio required for decoding these signals, and as a result, the coverage range gets shorter.